Another day in the workshop. So let's have a look at the latest offerings from Laser Tools. Versatility, innovation, and unique product development is at our core, and here's an excellent example. These new button connector pliers are equipped with an extended flexible cable, and what a difference that makes. They are designed to quickly remove the button type quick connectors found on fuel lines, power steering pipes, and other vehicle systems. But the 650mm extended cable means that you can access connectors buried deep in the engine bay, from above or from underneath. The specially designed fingers grip and press the buttons or tabs on the connector, then pull back and the connector slides straight off. You'll wonder how you did without it. Now this one's a little bit different. An extended reach blowgun that directs the airflow at 90 degrees. Another tool for getting into hard to access areas. Get right down into the engine bay and clear out leaves and debris from the radiator. And great for blowing through the air filter element. Quick and easy. On pneumatic pipe systems, the quick connect push-in fittings can be fiddly things to disconnect. But not with this little gadget, new to the Laser Tools range. When fitting, the pipes are designed to simply push in, but then hold tight and cannot be pulled apart. You can attempt to compress the release collars with a pair of pliers or similar tool, but it is awkward and you may need both hands just for the pliers. This simple device fits over the connectors and compresses the release collars easily so that the pipes can be released. And there we have it. 3 innovative and useful tools. Available now from your local Laser Tools stockist.